The Mastercard Foundation Scholars Program at KNUST is a partnership between Mastercard Foundation Canada and Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology. The main aim is to train transformative and ethical leaders so that they are also able to identify the fields that they want to go in after leaving school. So it's with this backdrop that we're thinking through getting some facilitators to lead these sessions for our students so that it's not just one talk shop, but something that they can also engage in and have practical experiences. That's why we brought on board Lead It Africa due to their track record of having specified modules for students who want to transition out of school.
Today was great. I really felt like I belonged here. It was actually exceptional. It was nice. When I was coming, I felt like it's going to be hectic and all, but after today, I was relieved because I've learned a lot.
It has been really educative and interactive.
It's put you to think of the things that you've been doing already and challenge you to do things in a different way.
The section is so exciting. This is not the first time joining such a session like this. Going through what I've gone before and then getting to know new things, it has really impacted me, especially the growth mindset.
I'm so excited about this program. Actually, when I saw the information on our page, I was like, Mastercard, what a game.
Watching videos and what the facilitators have been saying so far, I've been enjoying it.
I've come to learn a lot of things. Of course, that will improve myself, people around me, my friends, everyone.
It has helped me to change my way of thinking, see things in a different light, and also embrace being open.
Today, for instance, we did some entrepreneurial projects, so we are presenting on them, the various groups talked about them, and then there were other instances that we learned about how to build a very good CV.
I got to hear from different groups, their business ideas, and then what they expect from us.
It's been very, very interesting, very so interactive. There are a lot of sessions that you go to, you won't follow, you can't afford to not pay attention and stuff.
Some of us felt so shy standing in front of our own colleagues. Today, I am so impressed for what I have received.
It has been enlightening, it has been eye-opening, and I'm really glad that I'm part of this.
Lead It Africa methodology of carrying out this workshop is really interesting and it's really good. I must confess that
I actually find it highly interesting. I enjoy it. I find it so much different from all other seminars that we attended. We're thrilled.
Through this program, I've learned to be conscious of my audience. I just keep it short and simple.
What I enjoyed most about this workshop, the interview part, group presentations.
Sometimes I ask myself, how will I be able to pass an interview and all that? But at the end of the program, I found the answers to all.
I'm also taking a responsibility because I know that if Lead It Africa can have an initiative like this to help people as such, then I can also do even better to help other people.
This program has been amazing.
Fantastic.
Engaging.
Educative.
Awesome.
Compelling and challenging.
Highly interactive.
Fun and interesting. Very exciting.
So intriguing.
I would recommend that any institution that will need this kind of session to be carried out, I think Lead It Africa should be the first contact for this kind of service.
I wish I could go for a lot of programs organized by Lead It Africa.
So it's been really worthwhile having Lead It with us because the modules are very educative, they are interactive as well, and it's such that the students are able to relate to the topics that they are being taught. I was fortunate enough to sit through the students sharing their experiences. So we are very happy that we've made this decision to bring leaders on board, and we hope that this is the start for further collaborations to come.